Recently my PC was crashed and I found this report history. From here you can see your mistakes and avoid them to do in future. Just type Windows plus R and type this code here, and inside you would find a graph. So what you see inside is a graph. There are some blue lines, red X lines, yellow warning lines, and some info icons. This red icon means critical errors. As you can see, there was an update stopped working. There is another yellow icon showing some warnings. We say there are failed window update. There is another icon. It shows informational events such as successful application installed, successful updates. There are some crows on this graph showing critical errors. When you click on it, it shows the whole summary. The summary shows Windows was not properly shut down. You can also save your report from here. You can view all your problem reports by clicking on it. Here is a list of critical errors my Windows faced. It also monitors some hardware errors. I hope you will find this helpful. I just tried to show you something new. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and support me.